Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So now we will be making the letter E. I have done A, B, C and D. They will be linked in the playlist containing all of them will be linked in the description bar. And for our E, we are going to make just a rectangle first, and then I would section off this side and make these 3 legs. Let's get so I can just start off making like a rectangle. Now that I have my box, I am going to proceed to bring out the leg of letter E, like the solid pillar here. So you can just section that off and make sure it is straight. And then once you have taken out this main one, I think it is wise to try to make it's equal to this one. So let me increase this a bit too. Now I am going to proceed and share this whole side into three equal sections for the 3 legs of letter E. So I have 1, 2 and 3. I will start braiding with the middle one. I'm going to make it like a brush just to make it less noticeable if I can. So I will proceed to braid 3 of them in towards the backbone, or towards the pillar of letter E. We will do the same for this, but this time around I am going to start my braid at the beginning. Hopefully this is going to make it more pronounced, kind of, just because when you use some fonts, this middle one is shorter. I can actually make it shorter, but I don't feel like that is a must. Downwards. I want this one to go all over from this side, so I will just make it the leg on this other side of my braid, with the hope that I am going to push it upwards a little before it starts coming down. I think it worked. At this point I can unravel that braid and then incorporate it into my braid as I braid downwards. I would sincerely just incorporate this into a different design and just braid it down, or even like this. Or let's sew it on and see if that is going to be better. So guys, as I said, have your mind flexible so that you can do whatever serves best for you. I think adding this into a braid downwards might not look the best, but when I bend it over to the side, you can see it looks so much better, and I can just incorporate this one into this braid. So let's do that. So I have my thread with the knotted end, and I need to conceal the thread first of all, most importantly. So I will attach it underneath the braid so that it can be concealed. Pull. So let's go. So to sew this, I will just tack it onto that. Guys, that's a pretty E. This is a pretty E. This thing didn't work. Just imagine you use concealer on this part, on this brush part, and left it up to there. Your E is going to look more better. But I am not ready to do all that and keep washing this hair because I need to get to letter Z. Letter Z. If you're still watching at this point, if you appreciate anything at all in this video, please just leave a thumbs up, share to your friends and families, like make life more fun for everyone. This is fun for kids, this is fun, this makes hairstyling fun, so make it fun for others too, you know what I mean. So I can just braid this down and incorporate this. Maybe I should do it. No, I'll do it later. Guys, as I mentioned before, you can always use accessories to highlight your design and make it look better or make it stand out more. I am going to demonstrate an example of that now on this video. The link to the playlist with all the other alphabets I have done will be in the description bar. Please check it out if you're trying to complete a word. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more if you want to see more of my content. Thank you so much guys. Bye. Thank you so much guys for stopping by.